Alright, hi, I am Crystal Wood and I'm going to show you how to do a changeover for the machine. So first you go to the main menu screen, hit the changeover button. Control current must be off to initiate a changeover. Start changeover. Changeover is active. Turn on control current so that the robot will move to service position and everything will self-adjust. Okay. Now that everything is in the changeover position, we're going to turn control current off so we can select a new product code. Currently we're on product code number 5. We're going to change to product code number 3. This tells you all the change parts you will need, the head number, the smart track belt number, and the flap control plate number. Here it shows you how to release the flap control handle and to remove the flap control. So what you'll do is you'll come in, you'll open the doors, release the handle, and you can then slide the flap control out. Make sure you securely latch the handle when it's through. Close the doors again. At this point, you will hit next step once the flap control has been removed. It will then tell you to install the new correct flap control, and it gives you the number to match. Now you're going to adjust your case guides and your case stops. Everything that is flashing red needs to be adjusted. It means it was different from the previous product code. So we'll go through and we'll adjust the knobs for each one. There are 9 in the front total. You have 2 case stops. You have front and back case at load. You have case at standby, 2 more case guides, and an empty case. Each number on the side will correlate to the number on the screen, and you adjust the handles accordingly. Once that is done and you've confirmed that it's been changed over, you come up here and you can select. Once it's green, that's confirmed that you have adjusted that section. There are also pictures for each changeover adjustment if you want extra to know where it's at. And once all these have been confirmed, you can go on to the next step. Now it will ask you to install the head. So to install and remove the head, you have to push this clamp in. And release. There's one on the back side as well. Then you just simply lift up on the head and pull it out. To attach the new head, you slide it back in, making sure this bolt is secure, and then you relatch like that. All right, once that has been securely latched in place, you will initiate the next step. Now we move on to our smart track belt installation. All right, now we're going to install our smart track belts, and how we do that is you'll come over here, you flip up these sections here. This smart track are in the first changeover position. So to get the first smart track back out, you'll pull the first smart track forward. This will come out and then you'll push it backwards. Now the smart tracks are held in by these bolts. You pull this lever, that releases this side. Again, pull this lever, that releases that side, and that's how you pull the smart track belt out. Now to install the new one, you simply just align the bolts into the holes, firmly place them down in there, and then you just pull the smart track belt forward, feeding it in as it goes. And then you close these when you're done. That's how you do the first Smart Track belt changeover. And then once you've installed both first sets of Smart Track belts, you'll hit next step. Now to get the Smart Track belts into the next changeover position, you have to close the door, turn on control current, and they will readjust into the second changeover position. At this point, you then open the door again and repeat the process to remove the Smart Track belts. Open this, push it forward, remove it, feed it back, and pop it out of the latches. Then you simply reinsert it, and then just feed it through. Once you've done that for both primary and secondary Smart Tracks, you can clear to the next step. All right, the last step to the changeover is adjusting the product in-feed manual adjustments, and that are these. We have one in the back and one in the front of each primary and secondary product in-feed. All these numbers can be seen on the screen, and it's the same as the first part. You have to go through and confirm each one as you change them. Once you have made all of your manual adjustments, you need to come in, click, and confirm. Once all of these have been confirmed, you can go on to the next step. And this completes your changeover. To have everything rehome and readjust to their proper places, turn on control current and everything will rehome.